You're watching a Wheels TV Top 200 video test drive on the 2009 Cadillac CTS. Redesigned in 2008, the 5-passenger CTS luxury sports sedan displays a cutting-edge design supported by a strong dose of state-of-the-art mechanical underpinnings. The CTS rides on a 4-wheel independent suspension that uses anti-sway bars and coil-over dampers front and rear. 2 sport suspension packages are available to further the CTS's handling capabilities. Braking is accomplished with 4-wheel discs with ABS. The CTS strikes an impressive stance, starting at the front end, where tungsten halogen headlight clusters flank a contemporary interpretation of Cadillac's traditional horizontal bar grille. Sharp edges dominate as the beltline rises rearward to culminate in a high deck lid, where vertical LED taillights set off the crisp rear view. The CTS comes standard with 17-inch cast aluminum alloy wheels. V-rated high-performance tires on 18-inch alloys are optional. There are 2 engine choices, both based on the 3.6-liter V6. One with variable valve timing that delivers 263 horsepower and 253 pound-feet of torque, and a direct injection version that produces 304 horsepower and 273 pound-feet of torque. The CTS is available with all-wheel drive or standard rear-wheel drive. There are 2 transmission choices, a 6-speed automatic and a 6-speed manual. Both the rear and all-wheel drive variants deliver identical fuel mileage according to the EPA at 17 city and 26 highway. The upgraded cabin features leather and wood trim with available power options, including the adjustable steering wheel and multi-way adjustable heated front seats. The center console houses the pop-up touchscreen display for the navigation system and a Bose 8-speaker premium audio system. Rear seat passengers have a center fold-down armrest. All occupants share in the openness of the large power sunroof. Trunk capacity is 13.6 cubic feet. Base MSRP for the CTS is $34,780. A fully optioned model can tip the scales at more than $50 grand. All models come with a 5-year, 100,000-mile powertrain warranty. The 2008 Cadillac CTS, serving notice that Cadillac is ready to take on the best in the competitive mid-size luxury marketplace.